Hey guys, I'm Seema from Seema Clay Jewelry and I am super excited to announce the launch of Polymer Clay Bangle making video for you. This Lotus bangle is 100% polymer clay. We start from scratch with raw polymer clay and take you further step by step. I will show you how to make the bangle with this intricate pattern on the bangle base. We will finish the inside of the bangle with a marble look along with the maker's mark. You will also learn how to give a natural vein pattern to the lotus leaf and bring your flower to life with a splash of colors. You'll also learn how to make lotus bud and make tiny 5-petal flowers with Swarovski crystals. I picked our national flower lotus for this project because lotus is a complex flower. So with the knowledge of this single class, you will be able to do dozens of complex bangles on your own. This class is a complete end-to-end process with which you will be able to make amazing bangles without any other help. You can reach me directly at 9980472151. That is my personal number. I will be very happy to help. Thank you so much for giving me your time. Please hit the subscribe and like button so that we continue to stay connected. Until next time, bye-bye.